Will you find any problem in this code? If you already find out, comment below. So most of the developer who is working as a front-end developer, or maybe want to work as a web developer, while they're working on a HTML, they face this kind of problem. Like when they see the HTML code, they didn't find any problem. But when they run this code on browser, they see there's something is wrong in this code. So let's understand how the browser and HTML is working, and we human how we see this code. So when we see the code in HTML, we human thinks if this visually looks good, it's correct. For example, we didn't find any problem in here. It looks good for us. Similarly, in this code, the browser when see, they didn't find any problem and it looks good for the browser as well. Now let's understand if there's something is wrong. In this code, we humans still think maybe there's a no problem because we didn't see any kind of errors or any problem in here. So we think it's correct. It looks good for us. But for the browser, when the browser see the code, they find out there's a problem. There's a no p tag is closed. So something is wrong here. So when browsers see this code, see there's something is wrong in the structure. And this is not correct for the browser. Now let's understand this in the code editor and try to find out how to fix it. So here we are now. Now let's understand what is wrong in here. If you see, we applied the color blue, but here is all is red. Okay, so now try to understand. So we applied color red on h1 tags, so we can understand the heading will be the red. If you see correctly, we forget to close the h1 tag is here, and that's why this code is not correctly working, because the browser's thinking the h1 tag is must be closed somewhere, and that's why it's all looks red. So if you fix this problem and save and reload this page, you'll see now it's working. So why this is happening? Because the HTML is written for the browser, not for the human. And this kind of problem most of the beginners and the front-end developer face in their development journey. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like this video, like and comment and subscribe my channel. It gives me motivation to make more video like this.